Hi scholars, Miss Davis here. I'm going to show you how to divide 426 by 3 using place value disc. As always scholars, my first step is to draw my place value chart. I already have my boxes here, so now I'm just going to label. I'm going to start with my hundreds, then I'm going to move on to my tens, then I am going to move on to my ones. Scholars, now that I have my place value chart set up, let's add my place value disc. I know here it's telling me I have 400, so I have 400s in this box. This is telling me I have 2 tens. I would have 2 tens in this box. This is telling me I would have 6 ones, so I have 6 ones in this box. Let's get started. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 400. Let's focus on the tens. 1, 2. All right, let's focus on the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now scholars, my problem is telling me 426 divided by 3. So that means that I want to have 3 boxes here to represent the 3 equal groups that I'm going to break 426 into. Let's get those 3 boxes started. Get these 3 boxes started. So now I have my 3 boxes. I'm going to start breaking into groups. So let me look in the hundreds. I'm going to break it into 3 equal groups. That is 1, 2, and 3. So scholars, I have 100 left. I cannot break this down. So what I'm going to do is unbundle it, and I'm going to turn this 100 into 10 tens. All right, scholars, let me do this. I'm going to get rid of this 100. I'm going to turn it, get rid of this 100, and I'm going to turn it into 10 tens. So now, scholars, I am now going to be breaking everything in my tens place. I have 12 tens, and I'm going to break that into 3 equal groups. All right, scholars, let's break down these tens. Looks like we might need just one more. Okay, so now we have 10 tens. Let's break it down. Put one in this group, 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 one in this group. And it looks like we have a remainder, but we shouldn't, so we're just going to disappear that one, scholars, because that was an extra. All right, so now we're looking at our ones. We have 6 ones. We're going to break it up. One in this group, 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 and one in this group. And scholars, in order for us to know what 426 divided by 3 is, we have to count the amount in each group. Let's see. Here at the hundreds place, we see that we have 1 in each group. When we move on to the tens place, we have 4 in each group. When we move on to the ones place, we have 2 in each group. So that means that our answer is 142. And now I want you scholars to go back and double check my work.